Writing and reading characters. In this lesson, we will discuss how to carry out read and write operations with the characters on files. For this, the C language provides two special functions, called fgetC and fputC. The fgetC function returns the next character from a stream or file. Let's consider the following syntax. The fputC function writes the given character to the given output stream or file. The return value is the character, unless there is an error, in which case the return value is EOF. Here's the syntax for fputC function. To understand this better, take a look at this sample program. In the sample program, we declared a character variable called ch, and fp is a file pointer. In this line, we open a file called sample.txt with the write mode by using the fopen function. Finally, this statement is assigned to fp, the file pointer. Then we show a text message using the printf function. In the while loop, we receive the input character from standard input and assigned to the variable ch. This loop will continue until the end of file is reached. Inside the loop, we write a character value to the file pointer, that's fp. Once the input is finished, the file will be closed using the fclose function. Here, we open again the same file with the read mode. The while loop will get a character from the file and assign it to variable ch. Once it is done, the character will be displayed by using this printf statement. The loop will be terminated when the end of file is encountered. To understand this better, let's run this code. Compile the code by pressing Alt F9. When the compilation is done, click on OK, and run the code by pressing Ctrl F9. Here we have to input the characters. When the input is done, press Ctrl-Z to terminate the input. Now we can see the results. So far we have worked with characters using files.